Next example, 9x squared plus y, 16y squared minus 126x plus 64y is equal to 71. So we're going to compare it with this one. You know na ibang-iba talaga sa dito. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin gawin sila na in this form. So, to do that first, ipangtabi mo yung may x, ipangtabi mo yung may y. So, 9x squared minus 126x plus 16y squared plus 64y is equal to 71. Next mo na gagawin is kailangan mong ilabas si 9 para x squared na lang matira. X squared. I-divide mo 126 by 9. The answer is 14x. Lagyan mo ng space dito. Plus, ilabas mo rin si 16. Matira na lang si y squared. Plus, 64 divided by 16, it's 4y. Lagyan mo ng space, equal to 71. Bakit mo kailangan lagyan ng space? Bakit? Kasi you're going to complete the square. Plus ka ng kalahati nito. What's kalahati ng 14? 7. 7 squared, which is 49. Mag-plus ka ng kalahati nito, it's kalahati ni 4, 2 squared. Next, kung what you add here, kailangan rin, yan rin ang idagdag mo dito. So, 7 squared. Pero, huwag mo lang ilagdag na 7 squared kasi kailangan mo pa i-times sa 9. 7 squared times 9 plus, kopyahin mo to, 2 squared, i-times mo rin sa 16. So, dito, ang mangyari dyan, if you're going to factor it, is x, kopyahin mo minus 7, plus 16, y, kopyahin mo plus 2, squared is equal to 71 plus 9 times 49 plus 16 times 4. Next, kopyahin mo yan, 9x minus 7 squared plus 16y plus 2 squared is equal to, kung i-plus mo yan sila lahat, you may use calculator, it will become 576. Ngayon, di ba, as you can see in the equation, kailangan 1 lahat ang nasa gilid. So, para maging 1 itong 576, i-divide mo siya ng 576. Divide ka rin dito ng 576. 576. So, mangyari nan, if you will divide this, ito siya, divide mo by 9, divide mo rin ito ng 9, magiging x minus 7 squared over, i-divide mo itong 576 ng 9, it's 64, plus y plus 2 squared, ang 576, divide mo ng 16, the answer is 36, is equal to, divide mo yan, dalawa, 1. So, we have this form. Kasi ganyan ang form niya, we could compare it yung sa apat sa taas. Sa apat sa taas, we are sure na hindi ito dalawa. It's either of this. So, para malaman natin kung sino si Jan, identify natin sino si A squared saka si B squared. Yung mas malaki, yan sa A squared. So, A squared, B squared. So, nauna si A squared kasi sa B squared. So, hindi to siya. So, ibig sabihin ganito. So, the form is this. So, ganito ang magiging graph natin. So, we need to copy this. So, I copied that. Ito na yan siya. Next, we need to identify which is H and which is K. Diba? Ito si H. Ito si K. So, si H is 7. Dahil minus na siya, so si H is 7. K. Y minus K. So, dahil plus siya, si 2 magiging negative. Next, si A, square root of 64, that's 8. Si B, square root of 36, it's 6. 6 times 6, 36. So, let's identify C. C is equal to square root of A squared minus B squared. So, C is, what is A squared? 64 minus B squared, 36. C now is equal to, kapag i-minus mo to sila, the answer is 28. Am I right? Yes, 28. The square root of 28 in the calculator is approximately equal to 5.3. So we know this. A, B, C, H, and K. So we can find this out. HK. What is HK? It's 7, negative 2. H, 7 minus C, 5.3. K, which is negative 2. Ito, palitan mo lang ang minus ng plus. Negative 2. So, magiging 7 minus 5.3, it's 1.7, negative 2. 7 plus 5.3, 12.3, negative 2. H is 7, minus A, 6, minus A is 8, K. 7 plus 8, K equals, K pala is in negative 2. Negative 1, negative 2. This is 7 plus 8, 15, negative 2. This one, the covertex, H, 7 minus B, which is, this should pala, mali pala ito. Ito pala dapat, it's H minus B plus B. Ganito pala dapat to. We copied it wrong. So, H, 7, K, negative 2, minus B, which is 6. 7, comma, negative 2 plus 6. So, 7, negative 8, 7, positive 4. So, we can plot this. The center is 7, negative 2. 7, 6, 7, negative 2. Focus 1, 1.7, negative 2. 1.7, negative 2. 12.3, 12.3, negative 2. Vertex 1, negative 1, negative 2. Vertex 2, 15, negative 2. 15, negative 2. Covertex 1, 7, negative 8. 7, negative 8. 7, negative 8. Covertex 2 is 7, 4. 7, 4. So connect the dots. If you do this properly, you're going to form the ellipse.